Good evening, I'm Megan Mannering.
And I'm Larry Smith. Glad you're with us tonight here at 7 o'clock. Fayette County Circuit Judge Julie Muth Goodman filing an emergency motion on Tuesday asking the state Supreme Court to halt her impeachment proceedings. This follows Friday's House of Representatives vote to impeach her.
Our Annie Brown speaking with a murder victim's mother about how their case was handled under Judge Goodman.
We met Elena Mammon's mother, Heather, at Cross Keys Park, just off Versailles Road, one of Elena's favorite spots. Heather says she hopes to soon break ground on a peace garden in Elena's memory.
This park in particular is very special because my girls grew up here.
19-year-old Elena was shot and killed in December of 2022 on Colonnade Drive. Hubert and Alexander Riley pled guilty to charges in connection to her death. Hubert sentenced to 30 years in prison for murder. Alexander sentenced to 17 years in prison for first-degree manslaughter. But Heather says she is forever haunted that Hubert had previously been on probation for wanton endangerment and felony charges.
And I feel like in that situation, if he would have actually served time, there's a chance that he would have learned a lesson and not just turned around and, after that whole thing ended, killed my daughter.
Judge Julie Goodman presided over both those cases.
I have no right to speak. I have no right to tell you what really happened in those cases.
She's now facing an impeachment trial in the state Senate, accused of abusing her power as a judge and interfering with the judicial process.
I remember when we first got assigned the judge, it was really devastating because, my attorney said that was the worst possible judge that we could get on her case.
It's a step towards justice for Elena's family.
I have a lot of relief that finally something's being done, as far as helping the community, helping victims, so that we have a better justice system in place.
But even so, as Heather puts it, there is nothing that will ever bring Elena back. In Lexington, Annie Brown, LEX 18 News.